Okay, so the first thing we'll do is list of the directory. So that's just ls. So ls-l means we list with more information. So you've got permissions and owners of the files and the date of creation. So we do add the -h on the end. That will put the file sizes into a more human readable form. See, now it says how many bytes or kilobytes. We can also merge these two together. So rather than having to type -l then separate -h, you can just do -lh. pwd shows where you are in the file system. So this is your current path. So if we then go to the desktop, so this is now change directory. So we cd, so cd for change directory. So we're now on the desktop. If we do pwd, you can see that you've now changed the file system. If we do the ... then this goes back a level in the file system. So cd ... means we've gone back to our home directory. And as you can see through pwd and ls, we're back where we were. If we go back to the desktop, so cd desktop, change directory, pwd, you can check where you are. And now we can combine them together. So now we'll go straight to our documents folder, which is in our home directory. So it's / documents. And as you can see, pwd, where you can see the path we're at. If we just type cd with no file path, that takes us back to our home directory, as you can see. If we go back to documents, we can also use the tilde symbol to get back to our home directory, and we can use this as reference from home. So this is this little squiggle called tilde, and as you can see, we're now back in our home directory. We'll go back to our documents and we'll go using the tilde symbol. We can go straight to the downloads directory, which is from our home directory. So you can see tilde/downloads, and we're now into our downloads directory. This is how we go through the file system to get to our different locations.